Hello, guys, and welcome to yet another episode on Clean Code with Fabian. And today we'll be looking at advanced filters with Laravel. So we'll look at how you can write some advanced filters. Yeah. So before we jump into the code, I just want to give us a basic understanding of what we are going to be looking at before we jump into the code fully. So we have a table here. We have a table called company, and uh, a user can belong to a particular company and product also belong to company, and the company has many users and they have many product. So our system is consist of company, users, and product, and each company can have multiple users and multiple products associated with it. Now, the idea here is for us to be able to filter by company, and we can filter users based on the company, and we can check filter also product based on companies, and we can filter we can have a lot of filters on just a single endpoint, where you filter a company name, you filter if the user is online, if those users that are online that belong to this particular company and all. So quickly, let's look at the code. And please, if this is your first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you're welcome. We're excited to have you here. So looking at the code, I don't know if this is enough. Yes. I think this is okay. So if you look at the code, we have, as I said earlier, we have a company, and with what this with here is doing is just appending the relations, loading the relations we have, which are users and products. So with this, we can get all the users that belong to a company and all the products that belong to a company, so that we can do our filters very well. So the first filter we have here is we're filtering by the company. So we're checking the name, and then we're filtering by the company. And because this is coming from this, we don't have to check the model, right? So you can use like, but as well you can as well remove all of this. If you don't want to use where, like, you can basically filter it by making sure you get the exact company, like this. And then the second one is where things get a bit interesting, and what I want us to look at. Um, we filter by user name with the company. So we have a username, and then we have users, and then we are looking for a particular name. So we filter by user within the company. So we're filtering based on this name that belongs to a particular company. So if you're having all the people that have call John Peter that belongs to the company, and then we're able to get their names. And then the second one thing we have here, we have product. So we filter by product name associated with the company. So all the products that are like this and associated with the company, then we're able to figure out, filter that. And then we're able to filter the status of the company. We get all the active and the inactive company. And then this is another interesting filter. Here we're filtering by all the users that are online that belong to a particular company. So if these users are online, yeah, it will check where the online ad is now, or where it has data, and that will indicate whether they are online or not, so that we can get all the users that are online. So you can have a whole lot of filters. As I said there, you can add much more and paginate it. So on the particular, you can filter a particular column on a particular column, and then you can go on and filter another column, and so on. And then separate this. This is done in your service, where if you come to your controller, you just have to call the filter company service here, and then uh, everything is fine, so that your controller will not have a lot of code. The idea is to have a clean code, basically. So this is how you can easily have advanced filters, where you have a lot of filters under just a single endpoint. So you can have more than this, and anyone that is called, you can actually make use of only these two, and it's fine. You can in the whole of this endpoint, you can only use this filter, and it will work fine for you. So that's the whole idea. So that is just it for this episode, guys. If you have any challenge looking at this, please drop it in the comment section, and I will be attending to it. Thanks, and do have a nice day.